The north is a land of breathtaking beauty and harshness, where wind and rain test all who live there. Yet Viking-era wooden structures, like Norway's stave churches, have endured for over 1,000 years. How did they survive what destroys modern buildings in decades? The answer isn't magic, but a deep understanding of nature. Vikings were masters of their environment, learning the properties of every tree and season. They built with patience, choosing materials and methods that worked with nature, not against it. Unlike today's disposable approach, they saw wood as a partner, not a commodity. Their secret was a collection of skills. Media group, illustration of Vikings felling tree with axes in winter, old drawing of timber halves to stock distribute equally, knowing when to fell a tree, how to select the densest wood, and how to treat it for longevity. Their buildings were designed to shed water and breathe, keeping wood dry and healthy. By exploring these ancient techniques, we can unravel the enigma of the immortal wood. The Viking legacy is a testament to patience, observation, and respect for the land. Viking building began with a deep understanding of the forest. They sought slow-grown trees from old-growth forests, producing timber with tight rings, dense, strong, and naturally resistant to rot. Timing was crucial. Trees were felled in midwinter, when sap was low and wood less prone to decay. Logs were seasoned for years, drying slowly to prevent warping and cracking. Modern forestry, by contrast, uses fast-grown young trees, resulting in weaker, less durable wood. The Vikings' careful selection and patient preparation built resilience into every structure. They weren't just builders, they were foresters and craftsmen, choosing only the best timber. This proactive approach was their first line of defense against the elements. Dense, resin-rich, winter-felled pine was a fortress before any treatment. Their expertise is written in every surviving timber. The foundation of Viking longevity was superior raw material, chosen with knowledge and care. With the best timber selected, Vikings turned to natural protection pine tar. Made by slow-heating resinous pine in special kilns, pine tar penetrated deep, repelling fungi and insects. Mixed with linseed oil for flexibility, it was brushed onto vulnerable areas, creating a breathable, water-repellent barrier. They also used birch resin as glue, animal fats for water resistance, and even wood ash to deter pests. Unlike modern toxic chemicals, these treatments were sustainable and worked in harmony with the wood. The Viking approach borrowed nature's own defenses, enhancing wood's durability. Their methods were holistic, renewable, and effective for centuries. This natural alchemy protected their buildings without harming the environment. Viking genius lay in design as much as material. Their buildings were raised on stone foundations, keeping wood off damp ground and allowing air to circulate. Steep roofs shed rain and snow, while wide eaves directed water away from walls. The structures breathed, moisture could escape, preventing rot. Gaps between planks allowed airflow, stopping condensation and decay. Exposed parts, like decorative gables, were designed to be easily replaced. Regular maintenance, retarring, replacing worn parts, was built into the system. Unlike modern sealed homes, Viking buildings existed in balance with their environment. Their philosophy built for repair, not just permanence. A Viking building was a living entity, cared for across generations. Place ancient Viking timber beside modern decking. The difference is clear. Viking wood, dense and tar-scented, endures for centuries. Modern wood decays in years. We've traded craftsmanship for speed, relying on chemicals to protect weak materials. The Viking method started with quality, slow-grown winter-felled wood, enhanced by natural treatments. Their lesson, patience, quality, and respect for materials, create true longevity. We must rediscover building for permanence, not disposability. By working with nature, not against it, we can build sustainably and durably. The Viking blueprint offers a path to resilient, lasting structures for the future.